How to remove empty home screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead to your home screen. Over here, tap and hold an empty area until the apps jiggle. After that, tap the row of 3 dots at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can see all of your home screen pages. Now, choose the page you want to remove and tap on the circle under the page. Then, select the remove icon. This will move the apps on that page to the app library and will not be deleted. Now, tapping on remove from the pop-up will delete the page from the home screen. Tap on done to confirm. This will allow you to declutter your home screen while keeping your apps accessible. Following these steps, you can easily remove an empty home screen in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.